Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occurs in the Tron TRX in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. What's the high price of TRX and the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. If you listen my voice, please don't ignore my words and please hit the subscribe button. Complete my 3K subscriber. Now let's see what change occurs in the last 2 hour of TRX crypto. What's the price changes in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. First of all, we see the changes of TRX in the last 2 hour. So if you look the graph generally, so they are falling down, and after falling they take a jump. So currently if we look the currently situation of TRX, so they are tell us that TRX in the jumping time. But if we see the generally, if we see the average EV of TRX crypto, so they are in the falls. As you can see here, that is the average level of previous last 2 hour, which enters in the last 2 hour, and now the currently level of the TRX crypto is about at this position, as about at this position. You can see here this position. So now at this time the clearance is clear for all of you. You understand the profit of TRX. They falls down, from the average level. They falls down. So that's a jumping time of TRX crypto. As you can see here, the changes of TRX crypto is about negative 0.1% occur in the last 2 hours. Maybe they good in the future, but currently they are in the falls. Now let's see what's the price prediction of last 1 hour. What's the change occur in the last 1 hour. Oh my god, they are in the jumping period. But if we see the last 2 hour result, which I show you in the start of this video, so they are in the falls. But currently if we see the last hour result, they are in the positive 0.25% change occur in the TRX crypto in the last 1 hour. The changes is about positive 2.5%, and the high price of TRX crypto is about $0.064514. A dollar is the high price of TRX crypto in the last 1 hour. So that's a live price prediction of last 1 hour, of last 2 hour. You're watching now on IBS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.